There's someone behind you. I think I heard them take the jump up.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Never mind, I was wrong.
Health, I needed that.
Get that vehicle moving again! See that? Right there.
Thanks.
You're halfway there. Keep
Train just
going.
fucking tweaking there. You guys just seem to shoot up and then shoot back down. What was
creatures all
that?
too well. I see you. Save your sins.
Don't turn back now.
No, it's not.
I am ready to put on a show.
An unseen assist.
Clear the way.
Let the devil
A nice deep freeze.
shoot us a pal fire.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Stand over here.
What the hell are those things?
Look out for Rangers push.
Hi.
Relay deployed. It ain't
Let's form a super group.
I see you. Back to my old self. It was a fair fight. I see you.
Double kill. Halfway there. Keep going. That's 3.
I found one of our folks. No escape. Can you call yourself a defender, Strange?
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Radar. Wrap the beast!
destiny. Bring it on.
I see you. Namor's called in Turrets blow. I'm in.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Damn, Punisher.
Thanks.
And Daredevil. I saw both of you up there. Go crazy.
This is nothing like the Tokyo I remember,
Oh, they're on
but
triple
it's
tank.
amazing.
Interesting.
On the hunt. Bogey's incoming. Wrap the beast! By the eye of Agamotto! Let the devil out!
Double KO. You got them all.
So they stay down.
I owe you one.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
Need some ranged firepower.
The web of life and
DP going around to the right. DP going around to the
Big
right.
chance. A nice
Nice to kill.
What vile creature's name of
Don't mind me.
I am ready to put on a show!
You're on my radar.
Oh, Rock, that's a sneaky red spot.
So long, turrets. Two fists of the beast reclaimed. Friends smell awful anymore. My radar sense locked onto an enemy. All patched up. On the hunt. Hellfire.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Not today. Oh shit.
Namor called it back.
And there's still work to be done.
Strong together.
Step on it. We gotta win this thing.
Hellfire.
Feel the pull!
Nice catch, Rocket. Alright, go, go.
Only 60 seconds left. Double KO! That's 3!
Wow, 4 in a row.
Ready to get
Thanks.
your yarn on?
Let's just combo Punisher and Rocket here and win.
Oh, hi!
On the hunt. I can use some eyes here.
Disappear! Hits the grand finale!
Down to 30 seconds. You got them all. The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
It seems we have company. Two dudes. Target-rich environment.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
My radar sense locked onto an enemy. What fire? I see you. That's much better. Glad to back you up. Save your shins.
I'll patch you up.
I owe you one. Who wants calamari? Pay for your sins!
I found one of our critics.
DDI bubble in 8.
There we are. A little help, please. Oh, God. That's better.
You're welcome.
Better stop that vehicle.
Don't let them get past us.
They've made it halfway. Stop them.
I like the cold.
You're on my radar.
Grow up. Those boys are on.
That's 3.
Back to my list. I owe
Patch
you
you
one.
up.
Never stood a chance. I was born.
Hi.
I see you.
You stop them in their tracks.
Pay for your sins! You've been sentenced to public humiliation.
Wait, you got a headshot? How the hell did you get a headshot?
I'll patch you up.
Behind us!
Oh, well, you probably deflected his shit, huh? Yeah.
Thanks.
A nice deep
Oh,
breath.
okay.
Namor wasn't bad enough on his own.
Only 60 seconds left.
Hostiles up front. I'm doing this my way.
My radar sets locked up with enemy.
I'll catch you up.
Back to my old self.
Let the devil go!
Heal! Down to 30 seconds.
Good idea, sir. Totally stole that.
You stopped them in their tracks.
We fight until the final bell.
Octopus alert.
All patched up.
Things packing.
Any more top right?
That's me.
Pay for your
The
sin.
final 10 seconds.
Gotta see him written out.
Disappear!
Enjoy the amplifier.
Unprotected.
Let's keep fighting until we have a winner.
Shield certainly wouldn't hurt.
My other gun.
This is a team effort.
I'll catch
Got
you
him
up.
sealed written out.
That guy wins with style.
Check this place out.
It's the grand finale. Final score: 3,
GG,
2,
everyone.
0.